In today's video, I'll show you how to change the background of your Google Chrome browser on your computer. When you open your Google Chrome browser, you will see at the bottom right corner of your screen a small button with a pencil, and it says Customize Chrome. Click on it and another small window will open. Click on the button Change Theme, and here you can see many options of how to change your background. You can use solid colors or images or art of different artists, Native American artists, LGBTQ plus artists, Latino artists, Black artist collection, landscapes, and so on. Even you can go to the Chrome web store and choose art from there, all kind of images. But let's first try these ones. If you would like to change the background with a solid color, you can do that. Just click on the color that you like, and the background will change. There are very many colors here, and you can also decide if you like to change these colors every day. They will refresh daily if you turn this slider on, and every day you'll have a different color as a background. Also, you can check these native arts. If you like some of them, you can keep it for a while, and after a while you can change it. Also, you can see the LGBTQ and change the background with one of their arts, or Latino or black artists, and there are many options. The ones that I like the most are the landscape. Actually, Google did a very good job here and selected the most beautiful landscapes, and you can explore them and change the background with a landscape that you like. The image, look at them, they're absolutely gorgeous. And also you have the option again to change them daily by sliding this slider to on position, and every day when you wake up and turn on your computer and load your browser, you'll be pleasantly surprised with a new beautiful picture. And if you for some reason decide to go back to the default background, go here and click on default Chrome, and you can go to the default background. Also, you have the option to upload one of your images that you like. And if you have some images on your computer that you like and you would like to use them as a background in Google Chrome, then you can, by clicking here, you can upload an image. Let's try this one. I have a beautiful tropical beach here in my computer. Let's load it and see how it looks. Here it is. Absolutely gorgeous tropical beach with palm trees and everything. And that's all for today. Now you know how to change your background and play with all those themes and colors and landscapes and images. And I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, click on the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching, and have a nice and pleasant day.